This is when our cells stop dividing but don't die. They just hang around like stubborn zombies, releasing inflammatory substances that damage nearby healthy cells. It's a major driver of age-related diseases like arthritis, heart disease, and even some cancers. But what if we could clear out these zombie cells? Scientists are developing drugs called senolytics that do exactly that. In animal studies, these drugs have shown incredible results, extending lifespan and, more importantly, health span, the number of years lived in good health. Another key area is genetics. We all know people who seem to age incredibly well, staying sharp and active into their 90s and beyond. Scientists have been studying these superagers and have identified specific genes linked to longevity. With technologies like CRISPR gene editing, we could one day correct age-related genetic damage, or even introduce protective genes into our DNA. It's like updating our body's operating system to run more efficiently for longer. Then there's the world of epigenetics. DNA is the hardware, the epigenome is the software that tells the hardware what to do. As we age, this software gets corrupted. Our cells start to lose their identity and function. Imagine a heart cell starting to act a bit like a skin cell. It's not good for business. Dr. David Sinclair at Harvard has shown that it's possible to reboot the epigenome. His team successfully restored vision in old mice by resetting their epigenetic clock, effectively making old cells young again. They did this by introducing a set of proteins known as Yamanaka factors, which can reprogram adult cells back to a youthful stem cell-like state. It's like a factory reset for our cells, wiping away the accumulated errors of age. This research suggests that aging might not be a one-way street. We might be able to reverse it. But it's not all about high-tech labs and genetic engineering. Some of the most powerful longevity tools are available to us right now. This is the science behind intermittent fasting, a practice that has exploded in popularity. It clears out old, damaged proteins and cell parts, making way for new, healthy ones. Of course, with great power comes great responsibility. The prospect of radical life extension raises huge ethical questions. What would society look like if people lived for 200 years or more? The goal isn't just to live longer, but to live better, healthier lives for everyone. It's about adding life to our years, not just years to our life. So, are we truly the last mortal generation? The science is moving at an incredible pace. What seemed impossible just a decade ago is now within our grasp. It's a convergence of genetics, regenerative medicine, and artificial intelligence, all working together to solve the ultimate puzzle, aging itself. AI, for example, is accelerating drug discovery at an unprecedented rate, analyzing massive data sets to identify new anti-aging compounds that would have taken humans decades to find. The first person who will live to be 150 has likely already been born. We are living in the most exciting time in human history. The technologies being developed today won't just help us live longer. They'll help us live healthier, more vibrant lives, free from the chronic diseases that currently plague our later years. Imagine a world where turning 90 feels like turning 50, where you have the energy and health to pursue new passions, travel the world, and spend quality time with generations of your family. This isn't just a dream, it's a scientific reality in the making. The path forward is complex, but the destination is revolutionary. We are standing at a crossroads in human history, the generation that could witness the end of aging as we know it. We could be the last to die from natural causes, Thanks for joining me on this incredible journey into the future of longevity. It's a mind-bending topic, and we've only scratched the surface. If you found this fascinating, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you don't miss our next deep dive. What are your thoughts on extending human life? Let me know in the comments below. Until next time, stay curious.